Hi, Michelle here with StrawBearie, and I have a problem. I have a problem, an addiction of buying stuff for my Operation Christmas Child shoeboxes on clearance. And I'm going to share with you what I found at Walmart. Today, Walmart went to 75% off. So I basically purchased $300 worth of stuff today, and then on the day after Valentine's, I actually spent, I got about $100 worth of items at 50% off. So let me show you what I've gotten from Walmart. The best times to shop for shoeboxes year-round would be the after Christmas sales, the after Valentine's Day sales, the after Easter sales, and the after back-to-school sales. Those are the best times that you're going to find clearance items in stores like Walmart. Okay. I want to start with these that I found. I haven't seen these before this year. I don't know if they've been out there before, but these are Valentine's Dino Racers, and I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I should have gotten a box cutter or something with me before I started this. Let's see. We have these Dinosaur cars. I have bought Dinosaur cars off of Amazon before and just loved them. The bottoms of the cars are plastic, but they don't seem cheap. I'm not mad. They seem like they're pretty good quality, and they are adorable. Nothing Valentine's-y about them. They are just dinosaur cars. And let's see. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different designs, it looks like, of the dinosaur cars. So there is a total of 16 vehicles. Did I math right? I guess there's 3 of each, and then some there's 2 of each. And this fell out of the box. They do come with some little cards that say, "I'm speeding to be yours. You could use or not use." And they come with some bags that you could put them in. Let's see how quality these bags are. So, okay, they are self-sealing bags that you fold over. They're not bad. And I could see that you could maybe put, let's try. You could put 2 or 3. I think 3 is about all I'm going to get in a bag, and that could be a wow item. So that is the dinosaur cars. I also found these cars, and they are mini, what are they? Mini monster trucks. So again, we've got the cards and the bags, and there are 24 of these. So there's more of these. They are smaller, as you can see here. These are all plastic. So the box said mini monster trucks. So that's kind of what you're getting. You can see them in my hands. Oh, there are a couple that are shaped like little sharks on these mini monster trucks. Those are a great find. So at 75% off today, these were, I believe, $3 or $3.99 to get that many cars in a set. I thought was a great deal. Let's see. We have another box of the mini cars. We have a box of construction vehicles. There are 16 construction vehicles in here. You can see we've got dump trucks and little bulldozers of different types. And I'm sure they open too. These are plastic, but, well, they're a little cheap feeling. Oh, look, it turns. I'm still, for getting as many as I got, 16 of these for like $4. I think this was a great deal to add something extra, some extra little toys in a shoebox. I also got these die-cast vehicles. So I believe when it says die-cast, that means they're going to be metal. So let's check these out. These are wrapped in 4 different sets. You can see them there. The bottoms feel like plastic, but the tops I think are metal. They're not Hot Wheels quality, but they're not the cheapest cars that I've ever seen. I'm not mad about them. And there was a bunch of those too. What wasn't there? How many? There were 24 in that box. Got some more boxes of dinosaur cars. I maybe bought them out of the cars because I thought that was just such a great deal to get all of those different cars. And I'm always looking for boy toys too. So more dinosaurs. I just love these dinosaur ones too. More dinosaurs, more dinosaurs. What do we have over here? We got some more of the mini monster trucks and the die-cast ones. Stay. Some more dinosaurs. And some more of the construction vehicles. It's nice when they're still in their shelf packaging and you can just pick up the whole thing. I did tell a couple of my local friends who pack shoe boxes early in the day that Walmart had gone to 75% off Valentines, and they don't work. They had a chance to get to the store before me because I had to go after work. Just saying, just saying. You want to do stuffed animals now, or you want to do the other stuff? You want to do the other stuff? Okay. All right, so let's see what else we got. And so I picked up some Valentines. I only picked up a few, and one of each. I didn't get multiples. I'm hoping to be able to wait till they go to 90%, because once they go to 90%, this is an awesome deal. When you buy the Valentines that you give out to your classmates, they have a lot of cool things. Like this one is an H2O reveal. So you paint it with water and it reveals the colors. This one is a sticker puzzle that you can put together. This one is a football game. I got some of these a few years ago, and I loved just sticking them in the sides of a box, like especially like with my 10 to 14-year-old boys, having that football game that they could play. These are sticker activity Valentines. So it's Minnie Mouse, and she's got accessories that you can put with her. We have some Frozen that they layer on stickers for a custom design, so kind of the same thing, like layering those stickers. Then there were these, and these are only 8 in the package. And I don't know, I think they were about 80-90 cents. But they have these little pencils, and they have the lead, and they've got 3 different leads in 3 different colors that you could give to a friend. I suppose you could make it taller if you wanted to. But there's a pack of 8 of these. These are amazing if you can find them at 90% as well. Another package of those. I did get a couple of those because I thought those were so cute. I only found one of these, and I think it was like $1.74, but it is a Hello Kitty bead kit. This could be even a wow gift to make some different bracelets and different things. I found a random pair of toddler sparkly silver leggings for $1. I'm sure I will be able to find a shirt that is going to look amazing with those leggings. These are little mini skateboards. There's 8 to these sets. Again, they were less than $1. I don't remember exactly how much, but they were less than $1. This was a bag of Lilo and Stitch Valentine stickers, the little boxes of stickers. They were about $1. So again, be better if I could wait till 90% off, but not a bad deal. I try to compare, like, am I getting a better deal than I would get at Dollar Tree? And since Dollar Tree's gone up on so many of their prices, the answer today was yes. Receipt. Very long receipt, and that's only one of them. I found these little paddle games, and I found these balls, which I really liked. They're actually erasers, but I like the fact that there were different sports: football and basketball and soccer and baseball. If y'all find out when Walmart goes to 90%, please leave me a comment so that I can run to Walmart and see if they have anything left at my Walmart. Next, I got these bracelets. See, it says Heartbreaker, it says XOXO, and they were 37 cents today for the package of 2. So I bought them all. I only found a couple of like little random things. So these are kaleidoscopes, and they were like a party favor in the Valentine section. I found some mini princess coloring books in the Valentine section. Just some foam heart stickers. Some heart-shaped glasses. No lenses. This was in the clearance stuff, and it's a head wrap set, I guess for a baby, but it was only $1. I found some bouncy balls. So they do have, there's 6 bouncy balls in here. It was in the 30-cent range. They do have like party favors if you can find them. They usually go really fast, and there's not many left after this Valentine's or after the holidays. So I'm telling you this, you might not be able to find these for Valentine's, but go in after Easter and see what kind of things they have then as well. I can tell you that out of the 3 Walmarts that I've been to, even starting on February 15th in the morning, that there were tons of stuffed animals already being put out for Easter. So they're going to have tons of stuffies in the Easter stuff. Okay, I found this at my out-of-town Walmart. So this is a word search book. And normally I don't get English puzzle books, but it was only $1, I believe, when it was 50% off. No, it was 50 cents, I think. Anyway, it was a good deal, so I went ahead and got that. And there was a couple, those are a little different. Couple different patterns. There was also a couple coloring books. So here's a Mickey and Minnie coloring book. That was a Valentine's clearance. So those were word searches. Here's some crossword puzzles. Some more coloring books. Oh, this is mazes. I used to love doing mazes when I was a kid. I love doing mazes more than doing coloring books. What about you? What was your favorite thing in the little book, write-in book type things? Have a Disney princess coloring book with some activities in it. And I think we are starting to repeat. Let me just look through. Ooh, dot to dot. We have some fun dot to dots here. Oh, I found an advanced coloring book. So maybe use this maybe for some of my older girls. I think they're gonna like that. Got several of those. And I think we've seen all of the different styles. So these are all activity or coloring books. We've got another set of those pencil things. All right, now it's time for the stuffies. I'm gonna tilt you down. I loved the Valentine stuffies this year because they don't look like Valentine stuffies. They don't look like holiday stuffies. They just look like cool stuffies. We have a Triceratops. How cool is that? We have I'm not sure what this is. like it has a cat face, kind of a turtle body, and a tail. I'm confused. If you know what this is, could you let me know in the comments below? Wow. Okay, we have a cute little dog. We have a hammerhead shark. Like, what boy, I don't care what age you are, 2 to 4, 5 to 9, 10 to 14, isn't gonna love opening up their shoebox and seeing a hammerhead shark? There is nothing Valentine's Day about this hammerhead shark. It is just a wow item that some child is going to love. We have a shark. I was gonna say or a dolphin, but no, he's got teeth. He's got teeth. Do you see his teeth? Oh my goodness. And he's got some sparkles on him. We have a cow wearing an ice cream cone hat and pink spots on our cow. Oh, I did find a pair of glasses that say XOXO. We have an animal, another shark, another shark, panda, it says on the tag. Did you see the other guy say what he is on the tag? No, I don't think so. This one says he's a panda. How fun is this? It is a jellyfish. It's got like these ribbons and the legs. Tentacles. I know what a jellyfish is like. How fun is that? This is not your normal, everyday, everybody gets a bear with a heart Valentine's type of stuffy. Oh, but here is a bear with a heart. Now, one of the things I like doing with these is you could send it like this, or you can very carefully cut off the heart and send the bear and send the heart in 2 different boxes, depending on what you need and what you feel like God is directing you to give. Here's a nice big panda bear. These do fit in a standard size shoebox. They can kind of squish a little bit into the box and they will fit. You'll be able to put some other things in them, but this is also an amazing wow gift. Every shoebox should have a wow gift. When the child opens up that shoebox, they should open it up and be like, wow! And this can be a wow gift. An octopus. That is not Valentine's Day. That is an octopus. A boy box is gonna love that. This was called a duck cow because it's in the shape of like a rubber ducky, but it's a cow. More octopus. More triceratops. We've got a squishmallow. What else? Do we have any others? Another bear fox thing, triceratops, shark, cat, bear with heart. Oh, that bear's so cute. Oh, he's so soft too. Another jellyfish. I will tell you that when you go, I was digging. So they have these big old bins of stuffed animals, and they're big stuffed animals. Some are huge. But if you dig down into the bottom, the little ones, they fall to the bottom. And so, got some bigger sized ones, but also got some small ones. And I'm just very excited about everything that I got for my shoeboxes this time. Oh, it's a monster, look. He's got ears. He's got eyes in there somewhere. I am just so excited to start packing some more shoeboxes for Operation Christmas Child. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, subscribe if you haven't already. Toodles!